In this video, I will be showing you how to make Adobe Acrobat as a default PDF viewer in Windows 10. If you don't have it, you can just simply click on the card on top. I've done a tutorial on how to install it. At the moment, if I open a PDF, by default it's getting opened in Edge browser. Now let's see how we can change it. So for this, just go to search and type default. We'll be having the default apps. Select it. Here just scroll down. We'll be having choose default apps by file type. Select it. Here just scroll down and come to PDF. Here we are having .pdf, and straight to it the default app is Microsoft Edge browser. So just click on this. We will be just selecting Adobe Acrobat. That's it. The default app for PDF has changed now. We can simply close it, and as you can see, the entire viewer has changed. If I simply open it, I'll be getting this opened in Adobe Acrobat PDF viewer. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.